Okay, problem 2, part number 2. We have an extrude cuts inside this area. Let's analyze it together. Okay, so as we can see, we have inside extrude cut through all with this area, which is the smaller circle 52 phi, and we have also parallel dash line extrude cut inside, okay, which is this area of 74 circle. And if we go down, you will see that this is the extrude cut here, then it becomes smaller, then become bigger, then the extrude cut through all. And we have also radius fillet inside R3. So let's do that together. Okay, from the front, normal tube, I'm gonna draw a circle. The smaller one, or let's do the, okay, let's see from the front the smaller one. Okay, we'll do the bigger one. Will not be from the front because it will be from this area and this area only. So but for the smaller circle, the extrude cut is through all. Smaller circle is 52, and the extrude cut will be through all, both feature extrude cut through all, both, and check. Okay. Then we have this area for the circle number 2, which is 74. So I'm going to choose this surface or this surface, the back surface, then normal 2, again this surface, right click, normal 2, another circle with 74, okay, this is the center, 74 millimeters, phi, 74 millimeters, and the extrude cut for this 74 millimeters is extrude cut 10 plus 10, which is 20. Okay, feature extrude cut, 20. Okay, go inside for 20 millimeters, then check. We have a fillet of 3 millimeters, so click on this edge and make a fillet of 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters, then check. Okay, so we did this area extrude cut, then it becomes smaller through all. Okay, we have to make this extrude cut for this 74 by mirror, by choosing mirror order to the other side. How can we do that? Click on the fillet, click on the cut, and make a mirror about the front, or the top, or the right. Obviously it's around the front, then check. Now we have this area is completed, as we can see from the top. If we go to from the top and we change it to be circles, okay, this area, okay. Now we have this cut. We're going to do it together from the front, keep it colored. How can we do it? Simply you have to make this, choose the front first, okay, okay, I'm gonna draw from the front a center line, what's this, delete this, I don't need it. Okay, I'm gonna draw this line as a solid line. So if we go like this, if we just make the center line a little bit longer, we can draw it like this to make the contour. Click here, then go right, then go up until it touch this circle, the outside circle. Now I have to make a relation between this line and this edge. The relation is parallel, and the length is 20. So between this line and this edge, the length is 20. Okay, as we can see, we didn't make the contour yet. We have to close this area. So how can we do that? If you go to the front, okay, and we make a convert entity for this circle. So click on this circle, then make first of all, yeah, escape, click on this circle, the outside circle, which is this one, then make convert entity, then trim. We just need this area, only this area, we don't need this one. So click this and click that. As you can see, now we can, this is the contour. We have to make a mirror. So make a mirror for this area and this area and this area around the center. Okay, so we have a contour inside, as we can see. Now what is the extrude cut? Obviously it will be mid-plane, and the extrude cut will be, how can we see it? The extrude cut, as we can see, is 70. If we take this point and you go down, you will find that the extrude cut is 70. So feature extrude cut, choose it as a mid-plane, and the extrude cut is 70. Check. Okay, as you can see. Go to the front and keep it as dash lines. You can see that everything with us is okay. So always we have an extrude cut inside. If we do it, you have to make this contour, then you can make an extrude cut of the area from the top. Okay, now what we have else? We have this area. We can just draw this area together from the front. Then the next video we'll see how to make the extrude cuts. Okay, choose the front, then sketch, activate sketch, draw a circle, the outside, always the outside circle. Okay, and keep the phi of this circle is 74. You can make it down a little bit, move it, and make this horizontal line from this point, keep it longer, and make a relation between this circle and this line as tangent relation. Click on trim, delete it, and the length will be for this line is 210. Okay, what should we do here? We have to tell him that this point and the origin point, I want a relation between this point and with this point. The relation here is vertical. Check. Also we have another line from this edge, keep it longer, and make a relation, tangent relation. Delete this line. The angle is 35 from here to here, and also the same from here to here. So 35. 35. Okay. Okay. Now we don't have this is not contour. We have to close it in this area. How to close it? Go to the front again and make a convert entity for this circle, convert entity, and this line, and delete everything else. So we don't need, we just need this this circle. We don't need this area. Again. Go to the front, normal to, convert entity for this circle and this line. Okay. I'll go again to that sketch, edit sketch, normal to. I'm gonna make convert entity for this circle and this line, then check. We have to click on check, delete anything else, this area. So we close, and we have to click this area. So we have this two contours. Okay, now what is the contour for this contour? Feature extrude. What is the extrude for this contour? Keep it mid plane. This area is this area, which is 70. Check. And we have this area, which is this area. So the extrude here will be 50. Mid plane also. Mid plane, and make it 50. Okay. Now in this area, in this view, or in the next video, we'll see how to make these extrude cuts. Very simple, inshallah. Thank you very much.